Okay, I got the windshield all de-iced, cleared off. Got part of the hood and stuff out. That really thick ice. Hard to get all that stuff out. There's a shot down the street that way, south. There's a shot north. And there's a car stuck in the intersection. It's been there all morning. And the plowing over there in the parking lot. A little bit of sun up there. Yeah, I think we're done. Too cold to stay out here and play. Yeah. Door didn't shut all the way. The back of the truck filled with snow. We have snow piles there. There's a snow drift there. It's about 3 feet high. Kind of hard to tell. Back in the house.